We're going to begin the low polygon or low poly self-portrait. Now, for mine, I'm selecting landscape size because that is the size of my particular image that I'll be using. I'm using a random image for demonstration. You guys need to use a picture of yourself because it's a self-portrait. You're going to want to lock the layer so it doesn't move, and you're going to want to use the pen tool. We're going to be working right on top of the image. I'm turning off the borders because we don't need a stroke or a line around it. And we're going to want to make sure the fill is ready, and I'm going to use the eyedropper tool. This is key. I want to use that to see what color I need my first polygon to be. And I'm connecting the dots with the pen tool, and I've got my first shape. Now I want to make sure that I have selected off of the shape, that it's not selected, so that I can start with the next polygon shape. I'll go back to the pen tool and go back to the eyedropper tool because I need to make sure I get the color right, and I'll click on it right next to where I put down my first polygon. So let's go ahead and do the next shape, and we're going to have it joined to the first shape. And we will continue on with this process for the whole portrait. Now notice that I can use the white arrow or the sub-select tool to adjust my shapes. I just need to click on the shape, select the sub-select tool, the white arrow. Once again, in Illustrator it's called the direct selection tool, and I can adjust the shape. I use the white arrow and I can click on one of the corners if I want to either bring the shapes closer together or I want to create a slightly different shape to fill this portrait. Your final design, of course, is going to be a full-fledged low poly portrait where the entire image will have these shapes covering it. I just wanted to show you guys, just to give you a quick demonstration so that you can take this concept, this form of design, and run with it.